In this video, we're going to show you how to add users to your Modus8 account. So what you're going to do is click Users and you'll be brought to this user screen. What you'll do is you'll enter in the name, email address for all people that are on your team, whether they be employees, partners, virtual assistants, etc. And let's go ahead and show you how one would be added. So you'll put their name here, their email here, and then it gives you two options for the role. So let me explain to you what the different roles are. The worker role can only see the tasks that they are responsible for. It's very similar to our outsourcer role, which is they can't see everything in your project, or they can see all of your projects, and they can't see your formulas. They can only see the task or tasks that they're responsible for. They can still upload files and communicate and interact with you, but they're limited in terms of what they can do. They can't delete projects, they can't delete formulas, they don't have any of that functionality. So if that describes the permission that you want that person to have, then select worker. The other role is manager. Now, manager is very similar to your role as the owner. The only difference is that by default, they do not see everything in the account. They will only see tasks that they are responsible for or projects that they are listed as manager on. So when a new project is created, there's an option for you to select a manager when you're creating that project. If you select a manager, they'll be able to see everything in that project. Otherwise, they're only going to see tasks that they're responsible for. Managers can also see formulas. They can also see the projects that they're responsible for. They can also see skills and users and clients. They are able to use credits in the marketplace. However, they don't have access to any of your payment information. So you can let them order things on your behalf, but they do not see your payment information. Okay, so once you've added a user here, what will happen is they will receive a confirmation email, just like you did when you signed up for Modus8. And they'll need to click that link in their email and set a password. As soon as they set that password, they'll be logged in and they'll have their account. Now, below here, you can actually see the users that are active on your account, and at any time, you can change details for them. So if you want to move somebody from a worker to a manager or from a manager to a worker, you're able to do that. Now also there are notifications, which we'll cover notifications in another video, but you do have the ability to trigger preferences. So if you want people to receive certain notifications about what's happening in the system, you can allow them to do that, or you can turn them off. Okay. The other feature that is here is a lock button. So if you have a user and you want to lock their access so you preserve their work, but they can't log in, then you can lock their account. And also there is a resend button. So if for some reason they did not receive their confirmation email, say they didn't get it, you can come in here and press the resend button and it will re-trigger that confirmation email to go to them. Confirmation emails do expire in 24 hours for security. So if for some reason you've added them and they haven't confirmed it right away, you'll need to just hit resend and send them a new confirmation. Okay, so go ahead and add your users if that applies to you. And that's all for this video.